mapping of Europe, let us start with the water bodies surrounding Europe. The part of the Arctic Ocean forms the Barents Sea and the Norwegian Sea. White Sea connects the Barents Sea. Gulf of Bothnia, Gulf of Finland, Gulf of Riga. We move into the Baltic Sea. Then through the Danish Strait, that is Skagerrak and Kattegat, we move into the North Sea. Through the Strait of Dover, we move into the English Channel and the St. George Channel, the Bay of Biscay, and then through the Atlantic Ocean, we move into the Mediterranean Sea through the Strait of Gibraltar. The various different seas here are the Alboran Sea, Balearic Sea, Gulf of Lions, Ligurian Sea. Now we have Italy and Greece. To the east of both these countries are the seas starting with A, that is Adriatic Sea and Aegean Sea. Towards the west is the Tyrrhenian Sea and the Ionian Sea. The two islands here are Corsica and Sardinia, respectively owned by France and Italy, which are separated by Strait of Bonifacio. Italy, which is separated by the island of Sicily by Strait Messina. Strait Otranto connects Adriatic Sea and the Ionian Sea. Through the Ionian Sea we move to the Aegean Sea, to the Sea of Marmara by the Strait of Dardanelles, through the Bosphorus Strait into the Black Sea, and to the Kerch Strait into the Sea of Azov. The presence of Caspian Sea here. For the different mountain ranges in Europe, we start with the Ural mountain ranges, which separates Asia and Europe. The different mountain ranges here include the Scandinavian mountains or the Joian mountain ranges. We have the Cantabrian mountains, the Sierra Monera and Sierra Nevada mountains, the Pyrenees mountain ranges which separate France and Spain, the Alps, the massive highlands are surrounded by the Cevennes, Juras, and the Vosges mountain ranges. Vosges and Black Forest are the two block mountains here. In Italy we have the Apennines, whereas in United Kingdom we have the Pennines. In Greece we have the Pindus mountain ranges. The Balkan region has the Dinaric Alps, Balkan mountain ranges, Transylvanian Alps, Carpathian mountains and the Tara mountain range. Here we have the Caucasus mountains. Mount Elbrus is found here. Mount Etna and Mount Vesuvius are volcanic in nature. The different rivers here, the ones which flow into Black Sea include Dnieper, Dniester and Danube. Don flows into Sea of Azov, whereas Volga flows into the Caspian Sea. The one which flow into the Baltic Sea include Vistula, which completely flows in Poland, and Oder, which forms a border between Poland and Germany. The ones which flow into the North Sea are the Elbe and the Rhine, which flows through the Rift Valley of Vosges and the Black Forest. Seine River, which has Paris on its bank, flows into the English Channel. The Loire, Garonne flow into the Bay of Biscay. Into the Atlantic Ocean we have River Douro and Tagus. River Ebro, Rhone and Tiber flow into the Mediterranean Sea. The various peninsulars of this region are the Iberian Peninsula, the Italian Peninsula, the Balkan Peninsula, Crimean Peninsula, Jutland and the Scandinavian Peninsula as well as the Kolar Peninsula. The various different highlands here are the Meseta Plateau, the Massif Central, the Karst Plateau, the Central Russian uplands, which have an extension as a Valdai uplands. To remember the ones which are surrounding the Black Sea, the mnemonic is Berg D. Bulgaria, Ukraine, Russia, Georgia and Turkey. The one which surround the Baltic Sea The mnemonic is root Germany, cell Poland and Finland, root for Russia, DE for Denmark, cell Sweden, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Finland and Poland. The mnemonic to remember North Sea boundary countries are: for you, Belgium's 10 is neither sweet nor good. Here, for is France, U, United Kingdom, Belgium is Belgium, Den, Denmark, neither Netherlands, sweet, Sweden, nor Norway, good, Germany. The various different lakes of this region include Lake Onega, Lake Ladoga, Lake Saima, Lake Peipus, which is in the degrading state, one of the lake in Norway, which is the deepest in Europe, and forgot to mention the Strait of Denmark, which separates Iceland and Greenland.